The Great Mississippi Flood of 1927 reshaped the American South as engineers and levee builders struggled against a swelling river. Disaster struck after weeks of relentless rain left towns isolated, communities evacuated, and millions displaced under the watchful gaze of officials. Newspapers branded it a turning point, prompting federal flood control reforms and the migration of Black families to northern cities. Despite failure to contain the flood, the disaster spurred modern disaster response techniques and reshaped rural politics. Today, the flood is remembered for resilience, community wit, and the long road toward safer levee systems and national preparedness.